Presently, we are in the Civic Action Program, and this has been distributed to all the displaced, majorly displaced women in the Bishnupur district. And we can see here the turnout here. A lot of the ladies have come up. Children in school have also come up, and this is indeed a positive sign because, as we know, in the last 2 years, things have not gone really well for this state, but now it's slowly coming up. And we are speaking with the ladies, but we are also speaking with the government officials here. We're joined by the Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District. Hello, ma'am. First of all, tell us this outpouring of support. Women and children have come up in large numbers in this program. What has been the mood that you have picked up from the ground, and how has been the response of the public?
Right. So today it's a part of the CRPF Civic Action Program in collaboration with District Administration Bishnupur. We are distributing 15 swing looms, swing machines, and 5 looms to women IDPs of 4 relief camps: Khoyol Kaithe Relief Camp, Laisoy Relief Camp, Sendra Tourist Relief Camp, and Sendra Floriculture Relief Camp. So we are here for a joyous occasion so that the women IDPs of these relief camps can be given livelihood and they can generate some income of their own and gain some financial independence. So our the objective of this program, as well as the objective of the district administration and the state government, is that the IDPs are able to generate their own income and that we are able to rehabilitate them in the times to come. And the endeavor from our side is also to get cooperation from other organizations, be it CRPF, be it NGOs, be it other Gunj and Azim Premji. They have also come and met me. So we are coming up with a lot of initiatives, especially in terms of livelihood generation and also to help the IDP children get a good education, that they are enabled to access healthcare. So these are the endeavor in our part so that they are able to achieve a holistic lifestyle, that they are able to help their own families fulfill their potential. So far we have come up with these kind of initiatives, and we are so happy that the IDPs are
Very
also,
good turnout, ma'am.
right,
Ma'am,
right.
you have been speaking with all the ladies here, sitting with them. It's very commendable. One thing what we have picked up is that women and children were the most affected in this ongoing entire issue, and to empower them is a very important initiative. It helps them economically. What are the challenges that you have faced and you have seen in this, and do you think this is a positive step towards rehabilitation?
Yes, so one of the initiatives which we have come up with earlier was to give them livelihood and place them outside of the state. But a lot of IDPs do not want to leave their homes because they have been through a very traumatic situation and they want to stay with their families. So now we have recalibrated the approach so that we can help them provide livelihood in Manipur itself, so that they do not have to be separated from their families. And therefore, we hope that providing them these kind of equipments and infrastructure will enable them to earn a livelihood in Manipur itself and generate some income.
Thank you, ma'am. You can continue your chit chat. We'll just explore the area. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So you can see here the atmosphere is very positive. A lot of women have come up, children have come up, and this is what rehabilitation is about. It has started in Manipur. These sewing machines have been distributed, and these will help empower the local ladies who have been displaced in the ongoing conflict. And this has been done by the CRPF along with collaboration with the district authorities. And this is indeed a good initiative because the local population was badly affected, and them getting rehabilitated in a manner which helps them economically will be very crucial as Manipur tries to shift towards normalcy. We are speaking with the ladies here who have been beneficiary in this entire program, and we're going to talk to some of them. Didi, namaskar. आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम थोइबी है,
हाँ।
लेप्राफाम थोइबी।
कहाँ से ओरिजिनल, कहाँ का घर है आपका?
हम लोग सिसिपुर से।
जैसीपुर से।
हाँ।
अभी यहाँ पे बिष्णुपुर में रह रहा है रिलीफ कैंप में?
हाँ,
कौन से वाले रिलीफ कैंप में रह रहा है?
लाइसोई रिलीफ कैंप।
अच्छा अच्छा। तो अभी 2 साल से तो रिलीफ कैंप में ही है आप लोग?
हाँ, 2 साल से।
तो आज आप लोगों को क्या मशीन क्या मिला है यहाँ से प्रोग्राम में?
अभी मशीन मिला है, स्विंग मशीन मिला है। अभी सीआरपीएफ ने दिया है ना हम लोग आईडीपीएस के लिए, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है।
तो आप लोग वैसे सिलाई विलाई करने का आपको इंटरेस्ट है?
हाँ, इंटरेस्ट है। पहले तो पैसा कमाने का मालूम नहीं है, अभी तो ये हम लोग का मदद किया है। सिलाई करने के ट्रेनिंग 10 दिन दिया है, उसके बाद हम लोग थोड़ा पैसा बच्चा लोग के लिए ट्यूशन और के लिए थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है, इसके लिए हम लोग भी बहुत बहुत शुक्र है ऐसा।
अभी लेडीज लोग क्या सिलाई करोगे पूरा?
हाँ, पूरा करें।
ठीक है। तो क्या आपका अभी वैसे ये जो मिलने के बाद आपको क्या लगता है आपका थोड़ा इनकम बढ़ेगा क्योंकि आप लोग सिलाई करोगे, कुछ बेच सकोगे, कुछ बना सकोगे, तो आपको लगता है कॉन्फिडेंट कि आप लोग कुछ इनकम बढ़ेगा आपका?
हाँ, अभी तो मशीन दिए, सिलाई करने के मशीन दिएगा तो हम लोग कपड़ा भी थोड़ा थोड़ा सिलाई करेगा और मशीन ने थोड़ा मदद भी करेगा,
मदद भी
बच्चा लोग का भी खर्च और वो लोग भी ट्यूशन दिया, इसके लिए पैसा भी थोड़ा मदद मांगे
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
पड़ेगा।
So as you can see here, the women are very confident that they are going to use these sewing machines, which will also help them economically. And this is what we have picked up from the ground. It's not all sunny in Manipur, but there are parts where the sun is shining, and this is one of those parts wherein these kind of activities have helped those people who have been suffering. We are not there yet in Manipur. Both the communities have been suffering. It's been more than 2 years. There are a lot of dark areas, gray areas, but at least there are certain areas where we can show you that things have moved, things are moving up in a positive direction, and it is our duty as a channel also to show those areas. With video journalist Nishan, this is Nibi reporting for. A lot of people had to be displaced during the ongoing Manipur conflict, but as the situation has improved, things have gone for better in some areas. One of the biggest challenges that the displaced people face today is economic hardships, and to empower them, there has been a civic action program done by the Bishnupur administration along with the CRPF, and as a result of that, the displaced women who have been displaced from several parts have been who are camping right now in the Bishnupur district have been now given sewing machines and other machines who will help them empower these women. And we are currently at the civic action program done by the Bishnupur administration along with the CRPF. You can see behind me, a lot of women are here and children are here. All these children, all these innocent women are displaced during the ongoing violence which started from May 2023, and now with the improved situation, these kind of empowerment drives have been done. This is indeed a unique drive because the women have been given these machines, sewing machines, to empower them, and also a handloom has been given. You can see here, this will help them become more self-sustainable, and as a result of that, these initiatives have been given. The sewing machines have also been given by the CRPF along with the cooperation with the Bishnupur district, and these initiatives are part of the bigger agenda to rehabilitate all those people who have been displaced in the ongoing problems in Manipur. And as a result of that, these initiatives have been done. This comes at a very crucial time when the Prime Minister is set to visit the state, and these initiatives will definitely help people who have been affected badly. Their employment has also been affected, their economic hardships has also risen, and these small initiatives have been done. I can see here the women are taking the delivery of the handlooms as well as the sewing machines which have been done by the collaboration with the Bishnupur district as well as the CRPF. So these initiatives definitely going to empower the women who have been the most vulnerable when it comes to the ongoing conflict. And as a result of that, these initiatives have been done at a very grassroots level. When we talk about Manipur, we have been talking about the violence over the years, but things have started to change. Things are looking in a different angle now, and these initiatives will further help Manipur go to a normalcy which is very much required, as thousands of people have been suffering in this district. Books have also been given to the kids here, and the kids here, and they books. And this is done by the administration because these kids have also suffered a lot. They had to change their homes, they had to leave their homes, and as a result of that, today the book distribution has been given. And this is also a very positive sign because as Manipur is going through this terrible time, education has also been hampered, and these kind of initiatives are commendable in the sense that it empowers the local community, and as a result of that, these books have been now distributed to the young children and who are especially in the primary school. All of these are part of the efforts to rehabilitate and also help those people who have been displaced. Along with the sewing machines, we have seen that books have been given to children. So this is the kind of change that we are seeing right now in the state, wherein things have developed for the in the last 6 months, because with the improved security situation, these kind of activities are now possible at a place like Bishnupur, which is very close to the hillside, and these areas had saw earlier a lot of violence, but now things have started to change, and these kind of initiatives will definitely help transition the state to normalcy.